Hello everybody, welcome to NEET 365 by your own video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Okay, the question is, the restoring force of a spring with a block attached to the free end of a spring is represented by. You are given 4 options with 4 different steps. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. Okay. The first option is a graph, which is a straight line, and the second one is a parabola, and third one is also an inverse parabola, and fourth one is also a straight line. What is the difference between the first and the fourth straight line, sir? The first straight line exists in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fourth option, the straight line is in the second and fourth one. Okay, that's it. Okay, the restoring force of a spring with a block attached to the free end of a spring is given by the equation F is equal to minus kx. You have studied, you have learned this equation. You know this equation. F is equal to minus kx. So this equation very much similar to the equation of a straight line. F is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. There is no c here, sir. It means, sir, the value of c is 0. What does it mean, sir? This equation represents a straight line passing through the origin. Passing. Here, the both option 1 and 4 are lines passing through the origin. So option 2 and 3 are eliminated. It is not a parabola. This equation does not represent a parabola. So F is equal to minus kx. Also from the equation we understand that when F is positive, x is negative, is it not? Minus x, k into minus x, k is a constant. Okay? So x is negative. And when F is negative, what will happen? When F is negative? If x has a negative value, minus or minus plus, so F is negative. Okay, that's it. So F is negative, x is positive. So hence graph 4 represents the restoring force. Okay, so here you see the graph 4. In this area, these are all positive x values. You have negative x values. You are taking x on the x-axis and force F on the y-axis. So for the positive x, you have negative x. But here, in the fourth quadrant, for positive force, you have negative x values. Okay? So option 4 is the right answer for this question. Okay? We will see one more question from this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all.